In this tutorial, we will teach you how to configure the entire system from the Easy Config System software, log in as administrator to access all the configuration features of the measurement system. The default password is admin. Create a new configuration, then name it. Enter this configuration, then connect in USB mode by clicking on USB mode at the top right of your screen. If the auto discovery process has already been done, which is the case here, the modules that have been discovered will be listed below the M70 gateway. Click on the binoculars icon at the top left of the screen to access the visualization menus. Click on the M70 gateway. A dashboard gathers the main information of the M70, such as its IP configuration, active services, connected devices, etc. It is from this dashboard that you can launch the auto discovery process. Performing the auto discovery from Easy Config System allows you to modify the Modbus address of the devices discovered. A blink button is located to the right of each device to make its on-LED blink. Click on the wrench icon at the top left to access the device's configuration menus. Now set up each device in the measurement system, starting with the M70 gateway. The Auto Discovery menu allows you to modify the Auto Discovery mode, fast or full, to define an addressing range, or to choose the method for resolving address conflicts, automatic or by push button. Click on the IP configuration to configure the gateway's IP address. This will allow you to communicate remotely with the M70 and access the WebView web server to visualize measurements. Other menus are also available to configure additional functions such as alarms, email notifications, other communication protocols, etc. When you make changes, a pencil appears next to the equipment, which means that modifications are waiting to be sent to this equipment. A pencil also appears next to the menus that have been modified. Proceed to the configuration of the U30 voltage module. Click on Electrical Network to configure a three-phase network, a nominal frequency of 50 Hz and nominal voltage of 400 volts. Other menus are also available to configure additional functions such as integration periods, the creation of alarms, etc. Now configure the first I-35 module, which measures the main incomer. Go to the Load menu, name it, and configure a 3-phase plus neutral load with 3 CTs with a nominal current of 63 amps. Loads 2 and 3 are disabled on this I-35 module. Then go to the Current Sensor menu. You can see that the rating of the 3 TR10 sensors are automatically detected. Check the settings, such as orientation and associated voltage. The Program button, present on each configuration menu at the top right of your screen, allows you to send the configuration, but only for the menu you're currently on. After clicking on Program, you can see that the pencil on the right of the Current Sensors menu disappears. Now proceed to the configuration of the second I-35 current module, which measures 3 single-phase loads. Click on the Loads menu and this time configure 3 single-phase loads. You can name each load as you wish and change the nominal current to optimize the scale of the graphics on the D70 and WebView. And finally, configure the third current module I-35 also with 3 single-phase loads. Changes have been made to all the devices, but those changes have not been sent yet. Go to the Multi-Device Configuration menu. It allows you to select several devices and to send the configuration to all devices simultaneously. Return to the Configuration menu. Notice that the pencils are gone. Now go to the Visualization menu. The dashboard of the i35 modules gathers system information, firmware version, serial number, date and time, detected current sensors and their ratings, ongoing system alarms, and a phase diagram to identify potential wiring or configuration errors. You also have access to all real-time measurements in a table format. In the Topology menu, you can save the configuration of a device and apply it to other identical devices. This can save you time if several devices have identical or similar configurations. Saved configurations are listed in the Templates Management menu. You can save them on your computer, and you can also upload existing configurations from your computer. Here you go, your DIRIS Digiware system is now configured.